to our channel. I'm Merlene, and if this is your first time here, I hope you're having a wonderful time and you are enjoying our recipes. We post new videos weekly, and we also share tips on how you can have a functional kitchen. So in this video, we'll be making this delicious kale salad. Let's get started. Okay, so to begin, go ahead and clean your kale. It's best to use your hands to clean the kale, or you may also use a knife. Go ahead and remove the leaves from the stem. You do not want to eat the stem, as it can be hard and sometimes bitter. Once you're done cleaning your kale, go ahead and chop it with your hands into bite-sized pieces. Place the kale in a bowl and wash and pat dry thoroughly. It's best to use a clean kitchen towel or clean paper towels to pat dry the kale. Once you're done, go ahead and start chopping the other ingredients. It's best to chop your celery and your apples into bite-sized pieces. Once you're done, go ahead and set it aside and continue chopping and slicing. Guys, the full recipe is on our website at savorythoughts.com. Also, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as we post new videos weekly. Go ahead and place your apples on top of the kale and celery. And in a small container, go ahead and prepare the dressing. Starting off with salt, next add in the lemon juice, once you're done adding in the lemon juice, go ahead and add in the oil. Whisk well to combine. Once you are done whisking, go ahead and add the dressing on top of the kale. Now you want to make sure you mix the kale and the dressing properly together. You may also use your hands to do so. Once you're done, go ahead and add in your pine nuts. For this recipe, we are using roasted pine nuts. Again, the full recipe is on our website at savorythoughts.com. Followed by the pomegranate kernels, and continue to mix well to combine. And guys, that's it. Now you're ready to go ahead and serve your kale for your next holiday dinner. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as we post new videos weekly. See you on the next video. Cheers.